guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know if you guys can see the weather we got out here. Oh, but y'all seen the short I did. So you're probably wondering again, if you didn't see the other short that I just did, why am I out in this weather? Well, Charlotte had her physical today. She had her physical. She's due for her physical, so we had to go take her to get her physical done. And she got the nice clean bill of health. She has to see a podiatrist for her foot because she fractured both her ankles before when she fell down our stairs. So they constantly every now and then be bothering her, so she had to see a podiatrist. Did you get your flu shot? Who got your flu shot?
The one with the glasses.
She got her flu shot. She already got her vaccination, so she's all set for to start college. She has her meningitis.
Mommy just said to go this way.
Look.
You don't stop.
She said don't go on
You don't
the
do that. Did you say that?
What?
You don't. You do know that they have the right of way. Until you have the arrow. Did you see what he did?
We had the arrow.
I didn't. We had the arrow and then he
Yes,
went.
And no, we had the arrow and then it stopped, and then it went off.
I don't know about
Oh, we
that.
had the arrow, and then it went
See what
off.
I'm saying?
Shanti,
And
can you
she's
shut
on the
up?
highway and everything.
I'm not on the highway.
No, she's not getting on the highway.
Okay,
This is the
'cause
way.
I was gonna say, I thought when we just
Yeah.
go on the highway.
She just said you go into this McDonald's. Like, can you just believe in me?
Can you just not almost hit that black wall?
Shana, can you shut up? When you talk, that's what makes my head.
So guys, we're on our way back to the house right now, and
Charlotte drives safe.
Oh my gosh. Says the person that
Charlotte
even
wants to
drives
get her some McDonald's, even though I just gave her some food from the cafeteria, which was absolutely bomb, but she's saying that wasn't enough, so I'm gonna have to go now
Mommy said don't.
and get her, she wants to get her something from McDonald's, so we are going to go to McDonald's, then head on to the house. So thanks for watching this video, and thanks for guys for supporting my crazy big black family on YouTube. And guys, if you're not subscribed and you're watching this vlog, please give us a thumbs up and get subscribed to my crazy big black family on YouTube. Guys, happy Thursday, throwback Thursday today, and get out, and if you can, because we got bad weather in Massachusetts, so we really, but we're out. Not like I want to be, but you know, Poozy physical today, so she gotta get that done. You gotta do your 1-2s. So have a nice day today. Enjoy your day. Enjoy the weather if you don't have bad weather like this. And happy Thursday. We're getting ready to order. Give me a large soda. I want a large soda.
Snoop Dogg posted, are you recording?
Yeah. So see you guys there. We just got I didn't get no food because I already ate. I just need a nice cold soda, nice cold large Coke, and then I'm good to go. So
I honestly don't think we should go this way.
I think you should go this way. You don't.
It's gonna be more icy. Look at this right now.
Charlotte, just go, please.
Do you hear that?
That's why you should have let Mommy drive.
What does that have to do with you?
All it is ice. It's fine.
Mom,
Can you
pass
pop
me the
this sucker
soda?
open?
Excuse me.
Can you pop this open?
Oh God, some soda spilled on me and it's cold. Shit.
You asked for soda.
Yeah, I didn't actually. I'm not talking to you. And don't respond. Don't stop waiting till I'm fucking getting on the thing running your mouth. Don't do it.
Can you open my thing? Who's driving? I'm driving.
Exactly.
Yeah, while you're driving, running your mouth.
When she should be driving.
Shanti, can you shut up?
Can you?
Gosh.
That's what this whole premise
What
is
is
about.
this?
You shutting up.
It's your straw. You gave it to me like that. What the heck?
Bro, this isn't working now.
So as you see, it's getting a little crazy in here, and we're on our way home. So buckle up, stay safe,
Please.
stay tuned for more. Bye.
I'll give y'all a little visual first, though. Yeah, let me just take us a nice little ride and let's take us home with it. I'm gonna start doing some more long content. I'm gonna start doing some long vlogs. So this is the third vlog long one I did today. I'm gonna start putting out more long content. Trust me, I know why. But exactly, you don't know what it's all about. Look at that, what I got for their content. Look at the content I got. Look at that. I'm gonna put y'all right on the road with me. Look at that. Where are you gonna get that when you get a visual of the road? Look at that, guys. It's literally like you're in the car. Look. Can you see that, guys? Look at that. Where are you getting that at? Oh yeah, my crazy big black family right here on YouTube. Guys, get subscribed. You get a nice little up close and personal. Look at that, guys. Look at that visual. Look at that. I'm gonna zoom in and out. That's the little water droplets you see on the windshield. But that's because I'm trying to give y'all a nice little visual. A visual. Look at that, guys. Hey, look at that. Looks like a nice, perfect winter wonderland picture, guys. Look at the background. Look at that, guys. Where have you seen it? Comment down below, guys. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice Thursday. Bye.